If you own or want to buy the Skoda Fabia MK3, you may want to know about the timing systems in these cars. And a lot of people ask if they have timing belts or timing chains. And it's very easy to answer because in the third generation of the Skoda Fabia, all engines, diesel engines, 1.0 MPI, 1.2 TSI, 1.0 TSI, they all had belts. They all had dry timing belts, no wet belts, no chains in these engines, just the belts. And in manuals, they always state the interval for these belts about 100,000 miles, and sometimes even more than that. And that's not a very good idea, especially for 1.2 TSI. This engine is known to have a lot of issues with the timing belt, and if the belt breaks or jumps, the engine is dead. So of course it makes sense to change the belt more often than that. I think that the proper interval for the belt is about 100,000 kilometers, 60,000 miles. But when it comes to 1.2 TSI, I know about issues at 50,000 kilometers. Other than that, these engines are all good. They don't have a lot of problems with these timing systems, and they are quite easy to replace the belts in all of them.